I got video of everything. Just so happened to have to be a
You're gonna
surgeon.
pull those pistols or what's this?
He was right there. Get another back in there. Just a little bit. I mean, the scar's still there. Every once in a while, it makes you want to do.
2584, 2584.